Your hand is mine, like it meant just for me. But this is mine, it was meant to be. And I'm joining out the door with the freckles on your cheek, and it's all makes sense to me. I know you never love the crinkles by your eyes when you smile. You never love the storm that your tide, the dimples in your black at the bottom of your phone that allows them in the sea. I won't let your little things slip out of my mouth. But if I do, it's you, day out of you, and I'm in love with you. It's all the little things you can count about without a cavity. Maybe that's the reason that you're stuck in your feet. And all the conversation, all the secret there are keys, but it makes no sense to me. I know you never loved the sound of your voice on days you never want to know how much you weigh. Can you help us squeezing through your dreams? That's your perfect to me. I won't let this little thing slip out of my mouth. But if I do, it's you, they are up to, and I'm in love with you. And it's all those little things that you never love yourself. As much as I love you, you never treat yourself right. Darling, what I want you to is I let you know I'm here for you. Oh, let me love yourself like I love you. Oh, I want where this little thing is out of my mouth. But if I do, it's you, day after, and I'm in love with